So today we're going to be planting elephant garlic. I've got it laid out here. Got about 10 or 12 of them. And going to plant them out here in what I call my tub garden, but it's basically a container garden because these are so shallow and they're only about 6 inches deep. I did cut the bottoms out of them. I want the roots of whatever I plant here, not just garlic, whatever, but I planted corn here and tomatoes here, a little bit of everything. And to do that with such a shallow container, I had to allow the roots to go down in there. I know you're going to ask where I got these and whatever. I can give you a link on Amazon to something very similar to these. It's a fiberglass tub. There is a rod, metal rod, all the way around the lip of it. I got these when a business was throwing them away, but they're extremely tough. They're heavy. They're about 15 pounds a piece. So I mean, they're a substantial tote or tub. But I'm going to be planting elephant garlic here, and we'll put them about 8 inches apart because they are so big, and the rows about 12 inches apart. This is about 42 inches, if I remember right, and about 20 inches wide. So I'm not going to be able to stay 12 inches from the sides, but I can stay 12 inches from each row of these, and because I'm going to try to put them all in one in one tub. I may have to put them in two. I've prepared more than one just in case. So let's plant some elephant garlic. And these garlic came from Haas. They sell a lot of seed. They sell garlic and shallots, and they sell seed potatoes and lots of stuff. I planted their seed potatoes last spring. They did excellent for me. So if you're looking for some good seed or elephant garlic, these elephant garlic are beautiful. Haas, go to Haas, check them out. All right, got my hoary. Like my little hoary. I came through here, there was a lot of vegetation in these because I didn't plant anything in these in this year. So they kind of grew up with unwanted things. So I came through here and cultivated it real good. And so we're gonna just mark out where I think they should go. About 8 inches apart. And that looks like I am gonna need more than one tub. All right, I'm gonna plant these about 1 inch or 2 deep. And what I might do, since I'm gonna have to use 2 tubs anyway, I may just come back in here and plant 6 to a container instead of trying to get all 12 of them in here. So let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's do that. This is real soft and pliable soil, so it's real easy to plant in. I'll take the hoary, take it down, drop the wide end down. This is the root end. Sometimes you'll even see little hair roots on them. Drop that down in the ground. Cover it about 1 inch deep or so. Cover it about 1 inch or so deep. And you could probably go 2 inches. These tubs are so shallow, even though I'm hitting, even though I'm got the bottoms cut out of them, they're still, the ground underneath these is just hard red clay. So let's just do this. I'm trying to stay about 6 inches from the side of this. A lot of organic matter down in here simply because this tub had a lot of vegetation in it. So smooth that over. Let's plant the next one. I've only got 5 left. Smooth all that out so it'll all be pretty level. Like I say, all this stuff right here was pulled up. All the green stuff was pulled up during the cultivation process. It will not re-root. I've only got 5 left, so I'll do 1, 2, 3, and then do 2 here. If you don't have a hori-hori, that is a real handy tool, marked with a ruler on it, serrated blade on one side, sharpened blade on the other side, pointy, just like a trowel, good heavy handle. I will put a link to this hori-hori below in the description box. We'll do 3 on this side, on that side, and then do 2 kind of catty-cornered to those on this side. And that makes them all quite a ways apart, so I don't have any trouble with them growing into each other. I don't know how big they're going to get. I've never grown elephant. I've grown garlic, but I've never grown elephant garlic. So that's the planting of the elephant garlic. Now, what I'm going to come do is, I don't have any right now, but tomorrow I'm going to come across this and cover this about 1 inch deep with a good compost. I don't have any compost ready. Mine, I've got a little chicken manure in it. It's pretty hot right now. I don't want to put that on it right now. So I'm going to go buy some bagged compost, which is, I believe it's composted cow manure, I think, if I remember right, where I get it. It's pretty cheap, and I go down and get a couple of bags. One bag should do 1 tub. So I'll buy at least 2 bags, 1 and 1. And I'll show you what they look like when they come up, but it's going to be a while. But elephant garlic, if you need to plant some garlic, check out hosstools.com. I'll have a link below this video. That will be my share a sale link, and they're an affiliate. I am an affiliate of theirs, so I would appreciate you using my link if you could, and do something else for me. I've had a website for a long time, many years, but I really didn't do anything with it, and it really wasn't worth me sending you to. But I'm beginning to post a lot of articles on it. I think there are things that you would be interested in. So go down in the, right about now, go down in the bottom right hand corner of your screen, and it'll say Homestead Advisor. That's me. And just check out the articles. I've gotten quite a few articles on various different subjects that you need to know. So anyway, if you will, check out my website, and come back when these are coming up. I'll show you. So make sure you're subscribed and ring the bell so you'll be notified if there's any if and when there's new videos. Not if, but when there's new videos. So anyway, the website and subscribe, and we've got garlic in the ground. Tomorrow we're going to plant shallots. I'll show you that too. We're going.